The next operator we're going to go over is the $average operator for figuring out the average value of a key. Again, we have our products collection, and we're going to figure out the average price by category. So the average price, for instance, of a tablet. Here's a program that can do that, or an aggregation expression that can do that. We're going to $group. Our underscore ID is going to be a compound document of category, where we're going to name the key category, and then we're going to pull the dollar category value out. We're going to aggregate on that, on category, and then we're going to get the average price. You can see it says $average, and we should name that appropriately, so we'll name it average price. There it is. And we get the average of the dollar price expression, which is the price document value, key value. So let's go and run that. So here we are. We're going to run it. We're Mongo, and we're just going to redirect input from using average.js, which is the file I just showed you. And you can see that what we get is just 3 resulting documents, which makes sense. Category laptops, the average price, category cell phones, the average price, and category tablets, the average price. Now it's time for you to do it. Let's do a quiz. So for this quiz, we're going to use the same data set we used in the last problem, which is a data set of US zip codes, which are postal codes. If you did not do the last quiz, you should go back and read that quiz for using SUM. That'll tell you about this data set and how it works. This is just a document out of the data set giving you the population of a particular zip code, a particular postal code as it's called. In this case, it falls into a city called Fisher's Island, and the population is 329. So please write an aggregation expression to calculate the average population of a zip code, which is a postal code, by state. So as before, the postal code is in the ID field, in the underscore ID field, and is unique. And we can assume that the collection is called zips. And you should name the key in the result of the aggregation expression as average pop, so that we know what to expect. Average pop. And so it's going to be something along the line of db.zips.aggregate, and then the whole expression. Please don't use a compound underscore ID specification. Just use what you need to get the problem done. Don't rename it, and put the answer right here.